Hello. The weekend is here and so is Storm Brian. The worst of the conditions likely to be across the Republic of Ireland, and it's the Irish Met Service that have given this storm a name. However, across the UK there is still likely to be some impacts. We'll see some heavy rain sweeping in and more particularly some very strong and gusty winds. Now, Storm Brian actually intensified through Thursday way out in the Atlantic. Since then, he's been spiralling around and gradually drifting towards us. The first arm of cloud coming out of Storm Brian already approaching the south and west through Friday afternoon, and through the evening, that band of clouds with some outbreaks of rain bringing some pretty miserable conditions in from the west. This heavy rain will then sweep across pretty much all parts overnight tonight. So all parts of the UK seeing a few hours of wet weather, and the winds will start to strengthen, particularly in the west. Lots of showers packing in here. In between, well, we'll get some clearer spells for a time. Temperature-wise, though, well, we're staying in double digits in most towns and cities. So it's not a particularly cold start to Saturday, and there will be some sunshine across parts of the east, but it's really the winds we need to focus in on. This graphic showing where the strongest gusts are likely to be and where we have a yellow warning in force across parts of England and Wales. Inland, gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour are possible. Around the coasts, gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour. Now, those kind of winds could well bring some problems, bring down trees, certainly cause some travel disruption. And also, because they may well tie in with some high tides, there's the real threat of dangerous waves and also some coastal flooding. The strong winds will be transferring steadily through southern parts of England during the day on Saturday. Again, those gusts of wind inland of 50 to 55 miles an hour, along the coast 60 to 70 miles an hour. So there is the likelihood of some problems through Saturday. Now, those strong winds spiralling around an area of low pressure. As I said, there'll be some sunshine across eastern England, a bright and breezy day here for the most part, but heavy showers in the southeast and then bands of rain just spiralling around that low pressure, bringing a pretty wet day across much of North Wales, northwest England and southwest Scotland. Heavy downpours elsewhere too. Temperature-wise, well, we're looking at 13 to 15 degrees, and of course it'll feel colder than that because of the strength of the wind. It really will be a blustery day wherever you are. Now, the spiralling bands of cloud and rain continue to spin across southern Scotland, northern England, North Wales through Saturday evening. Heavy showers elsewhere, but some drier spells at least. The winds getting pretty lively on Saturday night across Northern Ireland. Again, another area we need to keep a close eye on. But as we fast forward to Sunday, the spiralling area of low pressure is moving away out into the North Sea, and things improving a little bit, a little calmer. It'll still be a blustery day and there will still be showers, particularly feeding into northwestern areas, but there'll be a bit more sunshine. The winds perhaps not quite as strong on Sunday. Temperatures a little bit lower, so it will feel perhaps a little bit cooler too. But Saturday, I say, is the main focus with the potential problems from the strength of the wind. Please keep up to date with the weather warnings on the Met Office website, through the Met Office app, or follow us on Twitter. We are at Met Office.